Hey there, it's Jamie from Schedulicity. A great way to take your account to the next level is getting comfortable with settings and policies. In this video, I will be going over setting up general, appointment, class, workshop, email, and payment policies in your account. In the world of Schedulicity, the settings area is the heartbeat of your account. Whether it's setting yourself up so you don't have any unexpected drop-ins, checking on your transactions for the week, or even seeing what your subscription price is, you'll find it all in settings. To take a peek at all the areas that settings has to offer, you'll simply want to either click on the gear on the left-hand side of the screen or select the settings from the main menu. From here, you'll have a variety of things to check out, including our policies area. Within policies, you'll be able to control the nitty-gritty of your account. Let's take a closer look. General policies are booking settings that apply to all of your account, including notifications or new client policies. Appointment policies adjust booking settings for your service-based appointments. Class policies will adjust booking settings for any of your classes. And workshop policies will adjust booking settings for your workshops, as well as the label that those workshops can be called. Email policies help you manage the reply to email that clients will be directed to when they respond to a notification, as well as the ability to customize email notifications sent to clients when they book. Finally, payment policies help you adjust your no-show policies for refunds and the like. Exploring and setting up these policies is how some of our most successful businesses set themselves up for success. Thanks for watching, and please reach out with any questions or if you just want to say hi.